After thoroughly experiencing the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra for some time, I can say this is truly outstanding. Last year, the primary telephoto lens gave robotics imaging modules a major shakeup. This year, the single-lens dual telephoto has once again shattered our expectations for smartphone camera lenses. Even without the Pura, there are new surprises. In terms of appearance, this year's Huawei Pura 80 Ultra retains the essence of the Pura. With a 6.8-inch screen and second-gen rotary tempered Kunlun glass, the back module retains the wind vane shape. In the center of the module, the X-Match Gold label editor has annotated the DRYV inscription, giving it a grooved feel compared to the previous generation's 7.2. The latest design replaces the primary lens with two, the telephoto and red-hued lenses, providing the Pura 80 Ultra's strongest competitive advantage. The imaging capabilities far exceed expectations. What's interesting today is similar to Huawei's innovation of mounting two lenses on a single CMOS sensor. Placing a 3.7x mid-telephoto and a 9.4x super telephoto lens on the same features a 1128-inch ultra-large sensor, enabling real-time switching between mid and super telephoto through internal optics. If the switching is quiet enough, you can even hear internal mechanical structures moving. Isn't it quite interesting? We also tested and compared this brand new telephoto module in different scenarios. In daytime outdoor scenes, when capturing distant shots, the advantages in contrast and clarity are very obvious. When zoomed in, the image looks gray with reduced clarity and noticeable sharpening artifacts in detailed areas. Increasing to 80 Ultra enhances clarity and effectively manages bright and dark regions in high contrast scenes. With 3.7x, the advantages are even greater when shooting portraits, benefiting from the red's balanced color lens. Moreover, skin tone reproduction and hair strand details are excellently handled without separation. Using a 10x telephoto focal length highlights the telephoto's physical advantages. Featuring sufficient clarity even with sharpening set very low to the maximum. At least the 80 Ultra's depth of field clearly renders details. At night, the capabilities of the RYB and large sensor telephoto are fully demonstrated. Photographing a distant shot with ultra telephoto causes blurriness, graininess, and jaggedness. Pilo 8.0 Ultra provides stronger resolution and more accurate, vibrant colors. During live performances, 10x telephoto clearly shows makeup. We compared our 10x telephoto with competitors in a video. Is this advantage noticeable enough? Nighttime portraits also capture easily, with complex background lighting yet still preserving details. The depth is incredibly impressive, just saying, in the same scenario. Using a 10x telephoto lens, Huawei still maintains accurate skin tone control when capturing small subjects like minions. Not only that, the 1-inch high dynamic main camera on the Pro 80 Ultra is also remarkably powerful. The daytime city scenes are very impressive but less compelling than competitors. For night scenes, it's dominated by the 1-inch sensor plus HDR and RYB. The large light intake brings cleaner images, making the nighttime city look very beautiful under the Pro 80 Ultra's aperture. Under comprehensive lighting, this primary color's restoration of the real world surpasses competitors. Color accuracy isn't just about details like the small stall in this photo, where a competitor incorrectly rendered it pink under complex lighting. Side highlights are blown out. Pure 80 Ultra 195 is stable and excels in color restoration. In roadside harsh lighting, competitors misrepresent portraits from purple to blue. This shading effectively restores light nuances and environmental details, performing exceptionally well. The stage scene in this photo is especially noteworthy. This one directly fooled me, I couldn't believe it. The other photo overexposed facial tones and had poor texture. We also filmed scenes with extremely high contrast ratios. How many points do you think this performance deserves? Additionally, the newly added personalized color card feature in this generation has great potential after using it for a while. The operation is very intuitive. You can see the picture by simply dragging. Differences under the same tone will be automatically saved after adjustment. You can directly save presets, share them with others, or apply a friend's preset with one click. We tried adjusting several color cards with very distinct styles. What do you think of them? Besides hardware and color, the Puro 80 Ultra incorporates AI. It has been trained with data from over 5,000 professional photographers to teach composition. Once you open this feature, the algorithm will guide the composition based on the frame, resulting in a beautiful photo being created just like that. Let amateur photographers quickly capture your unique everyday self. Fewer times your girlfriend scolds you for pictures. The brand new Homo OS 5.1 has become even more user-friendly, with increasing app support. Most mainstream apps are now properly adapted and feature-complete. Everyone can try it out. Thanks to the performance improvements of the Pura 80 Ultra, interrupt animations and rapid page switching are smoother compared to previous models. Xiaoyi has added a new Explore the World feature. Click here. You can access the brand new Xiaoyi's video chat feature, which converses with you based on the real world. This cartoon is really hilarious. Teacher Chiyue's life is especially down to earth. Like ordinary people, which is particularly interesting, the characters are distinct. If you enjoy action-packed comedic comics, you definitely shouldn't miss this. Or have Xiaoyu assess my outfit. Wow, your outfit is impressively casual yet stylish, featuring a white cherry blossom t-shirt that's perfectly paired with khaki cargo pants and a comfortable pair of sneakers to complete the look effortlessly. Overall, it looks very comfortable, and you can also have him give some styling advice. If you want the overall look to have more layers, you might consider adding a lightweight jacket, such as a denim jacket or trench coat. Moreover, these conversations are saved even after exiting the video chat. No need to worry about forgetting what Xiaoyu said. It's now supported. Full in-screen translation for screenshots, documents, and browser pages can be handled by Xiaoyi to help translate. The new theme features Wulin Alliance leader Han Han's companionship, customized colors, fur, and background. Breathing and clicking trigger interactive actions. It's very interesting. In version 5.1, the live window now displays information more comprehensively and supports additional scenarios compared to 5.0's single display approach. The innovative mainstream scenarios enhance its usefulness the more you use it. Some might say Huawei's Pura 80 Ultra generation innovates for innovation's sake. However, our user experience shows its structure exceeds expectations and offers significant practical benefits. The Pura 802 perfectly balances exceptional imaging and everyday practicality, offering top-notch capabilities and an excellent user experience at this price. Additionally, its leading AI features are rare among the Athoya products we've experienced this year. If you enjoy photography and the Pura series, Huawei's Pura 80 Ultra will definitely not disappoint you.